Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another Bitcoin caption chart. Today I am back in another Bitcoin caption chart. I can discuss everything about the Bitcoin chart. So let's start. First of all, I am in the on-day chart. In on-day chart, you can see this graph is going to down. You can see clearly this graph is going to down. If I go to 1 hour chart, you can see this graph also going to down. If I go to 2 hour chart, you can see this graph also going to down. If I go 4 hour chart, you can see also this graph is going to down. Now I can see the live last 1 minute chart. You can see this graph is going to up. If I go to the 5 minute chart, you can see this graph also going to down. If I go 30-minute chart, you can see this graph also going to down. If I go 45-minute chart, you can see this graph also going to down. So I can decide this graph must be going to down. So we can easily calculate it. Last 1 day this graph also going to down, so it's clear this graph must be going to down. It's a technical prediction. If you know the good prediction, comment below and share your idea. I think this graph going to down, so it's clear. Comment below and share your idea. Now I can discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 31,610.10 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 31,610.10 USD. I think everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.